everyone, in this video we'll remove the burned on gunk from the bottom of this pot and from this pan. The magic potion we will be using is called Barkeeper's Friend. We'll start with the frying pan, shake well before use, apply a small amount of Barkeeper's Friend to a scouring pad, and then let's get to work. Barkeeper's Friend is available at the Home Depot, Amazon, and many other retailers. I'll leave links in the description below. And now we'll move on to my wife's favorite chili pot. If you have a glass cooktop, see my other video on how to remove this burned on gunk from a glass cooktop. I'll leave a link at the end of this video and in the description below. To see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and then the bell icon.